The reason why I come in every single day and remind you of who you are, your reality, consciousness, what's real, through my authentic expression of what's real, is because all day, every day, we are being bombarded by what's not real. You're being programmed constantly over and over and over to be something that you're not. So I like to stop in and remind you of what you are. Remind you of what's real and what's possible for you throughout this day. You get to have a day where you can actually enjoy life and be childlike and connect and remember that you have the power to control this whole entire shit. You literally are controlling it all. Someone needs to remind you. I'd like to be that reminder.